Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel guys. Thank you for following me guys. Today I'm here again. I'm here to show you how to make this style. This style is called, you can call it stitch twists. If you have never tried if you have never tried to do this style, please come near and we do it together guys. If you are new here, please first subscribe, comment, ring the bell so that you can get each and everything about this channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Guys, I think you never saw me doing this style, but see, here I am now. If you have never tried to do this style, please try it now because it is very beautiful, simple and easy to make. If you have never tried to make it, try it now. You will never be disappointed, or you are not going to be disappointed guys. I'm not going to talk too much because this style needs a lot of attention so that you can watch it until the end. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair guys. Thank you for loving me. Guys, first of all, when you are making this style, you first print 3-3. Yeah, you first print 3-3. Don't make too big, make it small. It depends the way you want to look, but me, I'm going to make small so that I don't want to make it big so that it can look nicer as you saw it. Guys, I think let me leave you guys so that you can watch this video until the end. Be attentive, you will learn and enjoy the video. Guys, after planting 3 now we are starting to feed in or to adding on our hairstyle. This is called stitch twist. If you don't know how to stitch, come here, you will learn to stitch. And it is too simple. If you don't want small, you can make a little bit big when you're planting 3. Yeah, you first use one thread. And first of all, I didn't told you what braid I'm using. I'm using Brazilian wool. I know many of you know Brazilian wool, but I'm using Brazilian wool. But if you don't want to use Brazilian wool, you can use any type of braid you want. But me, right now, I'm using Brazilian wool. You first add one, at least for 3 or 2 times. Yeah, it will depend the size you want. If you want the size like I'm making, you will use like you will use 1 to 2 braids or pieces of braids. But if you want bigger than that, you can add on. You continue adding on the braids. But now for me, I'm not going to make too big. Like I use one, like 2 times to 3, then I add to 2. Guys, I told you, like I have told you that I'm using Brazilian wool. Yeah, if you don't want to use Brazilian wool, you can use any braid you want. You can use any type of the braid you want. Thank you for loving me, guys. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe, ring the bell, comment any video you want me to do for you. I will do it. I swear I will do it, even if it takes long, but I will do it. Thank you for loving Nympha Faces and Hair. Guys, let me leave you. You watch this video until the end.